is officially December, and the cold months for me can be so depressing, honestly. So this week I want to just take a couple days to romanticize the everyday life. I kind of just want to slow down and enjoy the little monotonous things of every day. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. Today is my reset day, so I am getting ready for the gym. And then when I get back, I'm gonna get a bunch of cleaning done. Before we get dressed, one of my favorite ways to romanticize the morning is journaling. So let's go set the vibes and relax for a couple minutes. So the 7 Brew in my town actually just got built, and they're doing like a training month. So they're giving out free drinks and taking donations for one of our local charities, which is so sweet. I got the iced white chocolate mocha. I've had it before, it's actually really good. I was a 7 Brew hater, and I have changed my mind. There is nothing that makes me more happy on a bad day than a good coffee. And that might be a little silly, and I don't care. For me personally, it's the little things in life that romanticizing and getting excited about really makes your day so much better. It's really easy to get caught up in focusing on the bad things, and that's a normal human thing, but there's always gonna be problems in life. It's never gonna be perfect. So I've been trying to learn to be a little bit more grateful and a little bit more excited about the good things that I do have. And it honestly really does make a big difference. I got finished with the gym, I went home, took a shower, and now it is time to clean. And sometimes just the thought of cleaning is intimidating and annoying. It can just be really boring. But we're gonna fix that because we're gonna put on some good music, light a couple candles, and get the vibes going. And it may not be the best activity, but the after effect, the results, are well worth it. I feel like when my room and my bathroom are clean, my mind feels clean. Let's get the vibes set up and let's get some things done. It is the next day. We are at Amazing Lash Studio in Mandeville. And yes, I did get my shirt stained. And it's literally the first time that I wore it. I'm so mad, but it's okay. It's fine. Not that romanticizing life is about spending money or having a bunch of fancy things, but I do love to treat myself when I can. So today we are getting our eyelashes done. That sounded so country. This is my before. Getting my eyelashes done or my hair or my eyebrows, just something about that is so satisfying. Afterwards, you could say that we have a boring day, but this is actually my favorite day of the week. I used to hate running errands and going to the store and getting groceries. I had really bad anxiety. I've really been able to switch my perspective and romanticize those more boring chore days. I got my giant coffee as usual, but the more you turn it into an event and an opportunity to get out of the house, the more it's gonna be exciting and romantic and less annoying and boring. Okay, I've been yapping too much. Let me go get my eyelashes done and I'll be right back. We are done. I did a quick little car glam. I just feel so cute and special when I have all of this done. And even if you're not a makeup person, getting ready for yourself is such a good ritual to really bring some confidence into your day. And I know that when I feel like I look my best, I am so much more happy. Enough yapping, we have to go get some things done. Let's head over to Aldi's and TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is done. Woo! So now we're at Aldi's. We're about to get what we need. We are on budget time today. So let's go. So I just made myself a giant coffee. I actually used some new coffee grounds. They were looking promising and they were on sale. so I had to try them out. But I put homemade vanilla syrup in, I use lactose-free milk, and then I add my espresso shots, and then on top, I make a cold foam with the gingerbread Nut Pods creamer, heavy whipping cream, and then I added a little cinnamon sugar on top. She looks beautiful, so let's give her a try. Okay. It's pretty good. I feel like the coffee I got could have been a little stronger. I got a medium roast, and I didn't think about that because you need a darker roast for espresso usually. For the end of my day, I love doing a little romantic afternoon reading session. Really nothing is more relaxing than taking some time to do your favorite little hobby. I am obsessed with reading horror books, so this month I have Stephen King and Owen King's Sleeping Beauty's novel. It is so good. It's about an epidemic with women where they start falling asleep and they have like weird spider webs all over their face, and if you wake them up, they start coming at you. Let me know down below if you're a book girl and what book you're reading right now. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of time to relax and enjoy the cozy vibes right in my own bed. You don't need to spend a lot of money or go to any fancy places to romanticize your everyday life. All you need is somewhere where you feel comfortable and safe and something that you enjoy doing. That is gonna be all for today's video. If you made it till the end, thank you so much. I hope I made your day just a little bit more cozy, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!